Good morning, students. How are you? All are fine? Yes. Now, I will teach today geometrical progression. Okay, GP. In your syllabus, half yearly syllabus, geometrical progression is there. We have already completed arithmetic progression. All of you know arithmetic progression. Their difference is geometrical progression. As all of you know, continuous proportion. Yes, continuous proportion. Suppose A, B, C are continuous proportion. Then we can write A is to B equal to B is to C. Okay? Ratio proportion all of you know. Here, that is geometrical progression. We have to consider few numbers. Okay? Suppose 1. Look at here. 1, 2, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 4. Okay? 2 to the power 4. So right here 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 6. Okay? Few numbers. We are considering few numbers. Suppose 1, 2, 2 square means okay 4, 2 cube 8, 2 to the power 4 16, 2 to the power 5 32, 2 to the power 6 64. Now look at here. If you divide, suppose 2 by 1, see 2 by 1 2, okay, 2 square by 2, that is 4 by 2 2, 2 cube by 2 square, that is also 2, 2 to the power 4 by 2 cube, also 2. It's like that. See, suppose this is T1 first term, this is second term, T2, this is T3 third term, this is fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, like that. Okay? Now, so here the ratio are same, that is first term by second term ratio, or second term by third term by second term, fourth term by third term, whatever terms you have selected before the terms. Okay? Here the ratio are same. So this ratio here, see 2, 2 also, 2 also. So ratio are same. So this ratio are known as here common ratio. In arithmetic progression, no common difference. Here difference is same there, but here is in geometrical progression. That is ratio are same. Okay? So this ratio is known as common ratio. Keep in mind, this ratio is known as common ratio. Okay? Now, this is first term. Okay, first term. See, so T1, that is 1. So 1 we can write 1 into 2 to the power 1 minus 1. We can write T1 1. See, 2 to the power 0 1. So 1 into 1 equal to 1. 1 is there. Okay. Now T2, look at here. 2. This is T2. Second term. 2 we can write 1 into 2 to the power 2 minus 1. Okay. Now T3. 2 square. So 1 into 2 to the power 3 minus 1. Similarly 2 to the power 4. So T4. Here is T4 2 cube 8. So 2 cube we can write 1 into 2 to the power 4 minus 1. See, 4 minus 1 3. Now look at here. This one, whatever writing this one is here first term. This is the first term. Okay? First term. We are writing first term. And these two, look at here. Here, ratio are same. So this is common ratio, no change. Here also 2, here also 2, here also 2. So this is common ratio. Okay. Now 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 4 minus 1. See, this one no change, second one. But here 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are number of terms. These are number of terms. See, T1, 1 minus 1, T2, 2 minus 1, T3, 3 minus 1, T4, 4 minus 1. So number of term minus 1. Okay. So in general form, how to find the nth term or last term? How to find in GP the last term? Okay. Now right, I am showing here. Suppose A is the first term. So right, let first term equal to A. First term equal to A. Common ratio, right, R. Common ratio equal to R. Number of term equal to N. Number of term equal to N. Last term equal to Tn or L. Anyone you can write. Nth term is the last term. So last term we have to represent as Tn or L. L last term or Tn nth term. Okay. So A the first term. So write Tn equal to A into R to the power n minus 1. See, first term R common ratio is same, R number of term minus 1. Okay. So Tn last term equal to A into R to the power n minus 1. Okay. Tn equal to A into R to the power n minus 1. First term common ratio to the power number of term minus 1. Okay. All of you remember Tn equal to A into R to the power n minus 1. Okay. Nth term, first term common ratio to the power n minus 1. Okay. Now remember nth term, so all of you, first term A, common ratio R, number of terms n, the last term Tn or L, then Tn equal to this. Okay. Now if we put n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we will get n, the number of the terms are in AP. So in AP the terms are, we can write, sorry, this is GP. Okay, not AP, GP. Okay. So in GP the terms are AR square, AR cube, AR to the power 4, AR to the power 5, up to AR to the power n minus 1. The terms are in GP, geometrical progression. Okay. The terms AR square, AR cube, AR to the 4, up to dot AR to the power n minus 1. Where is A first term, R common ratio, the last term is AR to the power n minus 1. Okay. No problem? Yes. If suppose 3 terms are in GP, 3 terms are in GP. Okay. So we can write the terms are AR square, we can write, or A by R A also AR. Anyone you can write. For advantage, anyone can, no problem is there, okay? So according to sum, suppose sum of the three terms is given or product of the three terms is given, okay? Then you can apply anyone you can write, no problem, okay? Either AR square or A by R, AR, okay? Now, suppose three terms, suppose A, B, C, okay? Three different terms, A, B and C are in GP. So right, let A, B, C are in GP, okay, geometry progression. Then we can write A by B or B by A equal to C by B. You can write, no? This divided this second term by first term equal to third term by second term, okay? B by A equal to C by B, B by A equal to C by B. So we can write here B square equal to AC. So B equal to, you can write plus minus root under AC, okay? If the numbers are positive, so we can write positive, okay? Positive sign only, okay? So here B is called, here B is called geometrical mean, okay? GM, geometrical mean, okay? So B is called geometrical mean, keep in mind, okay? In previous chapters, arithmetic mean of AM, all of you know. B, if AB share in AP, then B equal to A plus C by 2, okay? Here also similar way, B by A equal to C by B, then B square equal to AC, B equal to plus minus root AC. Suppose you have considered ABC are positive, then B equal to plus minus, sorry, B equal to root under AC, okay? So B is called geometrical mean, okay, GM, okay? Suppose if we consider the two numbers, so keep in mind, arithmetic mean of any two numbers is always greater than geometrical mean. The terms are in AP. Arithmetic mean AM is always greater than GM. Keep in mind, okay? Suppose if three numbers are three different numbers, A, B, C are three different numbers, okay? So we can write here A plus B, AM always greater than equal to GM, okay? AM always greater than equal to GM. So A plus B by 2 always greater than equal to root under AB, okay? Always greater than equal to root under AB. If AB difference number there, then A plus B by 2 greater than root AB. If same number is there, then equal sign, okay? So you have to write arithmetic mean is always greater than equal to GM, okay? If the numbers are different, then greater than sign, and if equal is there, equal is not possible, so you always greater than GM. Arithmetic mean is always greater than GM, okay? Suppose MC short type question is there. So A, B, C, three different numbers is given. Which option is correct? Okay? AM greater than GM, AM equal to GM, AM greater than or less or equal to GM is like that. Nothing is there, okay? So AM always greater than, sorry, AM always greater than GM, okay? Now keep in mind, A plus B by 2 greater than root under AB. Now sum of n terms in GP, sum of n terms, okay? So here if the terms Suppose A, B, C are in GP given. Okay, we can write B equal to AR, C equal to AR square. No, okay. A no change. B in terms of AR, C in terms of A, we can write AR square. Okay. So let the numbers in GP. Suppose A, AR, AR square, AR cube up to AR to the power n minus 1. Okay, the numbers are in GP. So right, I am writing here. See, the sum. Suppose sum A is equal to write A plus AR square up to last term. All of you know, so suppose AR to the power n minus 1. Okay? Understood? AR square plus up to AR to the power n minus 1. Okay? Now, we have to multiply both sides by common ratio, that is R. All of you, you have to multiply both sides by R. Look at here. S into R equal to AR plus AR square plus AR cube up to AR to the power n. Okay? See, if we subtract S minus SR, right? Look at here. This turns this side, cancel, subtract. Here, like that. Here also AR to the power n minus 1. Last one AR to the power n. Before that, AR to the power n minus 1. So you can write the kind of. So what is the remaining term? See, this is the remaining terms A. Here also AR to the power n minus AR to the power n. Two remaining terms are there. So they are A minus, we have subtract, so sign will be changed. So minus AR to the power n. So S common 1 minus R equal to A common 1 minus R to the power n. So S equal to A into 1 minus R to the power n by 1 minus R. Okay. So S equal to sum of n terms in GP. So S equal to A into 1 minus R to the power n by 1 minus R. Okay. Now 1 minus R means R less than, keep in mind 1. You can apply this formula again. You can write change, sign change. Suppose A into R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Okay, you can change, sign interchange. Here 1 minus R to the power n, R to the minus 1. Here also R minus 1. See, R minus 1 here. So here we can write R greater than 1. Suppose when you have to apply both the formula. Suppose R common ratio less than 1, then we can apply first one, and greater than 1, so we can apply second one. If R equal to 1, what is the result? Yes, so it will be different, keep in mind. In that case R not equal to 1. Suppose R equal to 1, then what is the result? Okay, now I have to explain. Look at here, I have to explain. See, so sum S equal to A plus AR square up to AR to the power n minus 1. So this can be written as A into 1 minus R to the power n by 1 minus R less than 1. This equal to, can write A into R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1 R greater than 1. If R equal to 1, so put here A, see, A is equal to A plus A plus A plus A up to n terms will be n into A. Keep in mind. n into A. MCQ short type question. Keep in mind. A plus A plus A plus A up to n plus sign is there. So it will be n A. Okay. n into A. Keep in mind. Okay. Suppose I am giving one example. Look at here. Giving one example. Okay. Sum. Which formula can I apply? Suppose A is equal to find 1 plus half plus 1 by 2 square 1 by 2 cube up to n terms. Find the sum of the GP. How to find? See, A equal to first term 1, common ratio half divide by 1, half 1 by 2 square minus half, 1 by 2 square divided by half also. So write A equal to 1, R equal to half. Okay. So write A is equal to 1 into 1 minus R to the power n, 1 by 2 to the power n by 1 minus R. Here half is less than 1. Okay. Half is less than 1. So apply this formula. So here 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power n. This is S. Up to this you can full marks, no problem is there. Okay. Up to this 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power n. Suppose here is A is equal to write 1 plus 2 square plus 2 cube plus 2 to the power 4 up to n terms. Okay. Find the sum of the terms. So we can write here A equal to 1 first term and R equal to 2 by 1, 2 greater than 1, R greater than 1. Okay. So we can apply here A in 1 2 to the power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1. That is 2 to the power n minus 1. This is the answer. Okay. 2 to the power n minus 1. 1 plus 2 square 2 cube plus 2 to the power up to n. So 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay. The sum of the terms. Wait. I am saying one terms, sum of the terms, very important sum. Suppose find the sum of n terms. Okay. Question I find the sum of n terms. Suppose 4 plus 444 up to n terms. How to solve? This is one rule is there. Okay. Same method. Any sum. This type of sum, same process of there. Keep in mind. So this term is not in GP. Okay. First. So 4 by 4, 11. But this by this, 11 will not come. Okay. So you have to convert these terms, this series, you have to convert it into the GP form. How to convert? First you take common 4. So here 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to it is n terms. First you take common 4. So 4 common, 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus it's like that. Okay. Now 4 by 9 you take, 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus dot up to n terms. Okay. Now 4 by 9. Now so 9 we can write 10 minus 1. Yes, 10 minus 1. Here also write, give second bracket, plus 100 minus 1. Here thousands minus 1 plus dotted up to n terms. Okay. Now multiple of tens you have to first you have to arrange. Say 4 by 9, 10 plus 100 plus thousands plus dot dot up to n terms, minus say 1 1 1. Okay, no change, same numbers are there, no? So right, minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n terms. Okay, now look at here, 4 by 9, from here you can take common 10, you take common, okay, no problem, 10 common, so 10 common is there, then here is 1 plus 10 square 100, no, this is 10 plus 10 square, okay, thousands, here also same, 10 cube is like that up dot n, minus see n, 1 plus 1 plus 1 n, so minus n, here 4 by 9 is there, so 4n by 9, okay, multiple 4 by 9, here also 4 by 9 into here, so 4 by 9 into n, 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n will be 1 into n, that is n, previously discussed, no, a plus a plus a plus a up to n terms, n into a, okay, don't do a to the power n, if multiply is there then a to the power n, okay, many students mistakes like that, n plus n plus n plus, sorry, a plus a, always a into, that is n, a into n, but not a to the power n, keep in mind. Now 40 by 9, 1, here a means 1, so 10 to the power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1, okay, minus 4n by 9. Now you have to simplify, 40 by 9, here 9 also, okay, it will be 81, 10 to the power n minus 1 minus 4n by 9. Up to this you will get full marks, no problem, this is the answer, okay, no need to simplify it. Up to this you will get full marks, okay, 40 by 81, 10 to the power n minus 1 minus 4n by 9, this is the answer, okay. Similar sum you have to do at home, okay, home practice is very important, all of you remember. Similar type of sum is there, so 3 plus 3 3 plus 3 3 up to n terms, you will do at home. Question number 2, suppose 5 plus 5 5 plus 5 5 5 plus up to n, suppose Q3 right, similar 7 plus 7 7 plus 777 plus n, same terms are there, okay. If decimal is there, 1 minute not discuss, okay. Suppose question number 4 through 0. Suppose 3, 0.333, 0.33, okay, just I am showing this one, decimal points are there, okay. How to do? Similar methods are there, look at here, all of copy first, okay. See here, suppose 0.3, 0.33, 0.333 up to n terms, so right, take 3 common first, then 0.1, 0.11, 0.111, okay, up to n terms, take 3 by 9 common, similar way, so 0.9 plus 0.99 plus 0.999, okay, up to n terms, don't say 99 after decimal, okay, 0.9, 0.99, triple 999 like that. Okay. Here, so 3 by 9, 1/3. So right, 1/3. So 0.9 we can write 1 minus 0.1. Okay, plus 1 minus 0.01 plus 1 minus 0.001. Okay, plus like that up to n comes 0.999. We can write 1 minus 0.001. Okay, now 1/3. See, 1, 1, 1 up to n terms. It will be n. So write first n minus 0.1 minus 0.01. So write. So 0.1 we can write 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. It's like that up to n terms. You bracket. Okay. 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000 plus up to n. Okay. Now see, so it will be multiplied n by 3. So write n by 3 minus 1/3. Here take 1 by 10 common. So if we take 1 by 10 common, here 1 plus 1 by 10, 1 by 10 square, 1 by 10 cube